What's up, crew? This your girl Smiley Boo coming at you. Today is Saturday. We in October, y'all. Sorry I've been away for a little while, but I'm back. Y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how to change a ceiling fan. And we're going to show you how to do it, okay? Step by step. So, if you want to change your ceiling fan, this is the video, the tutorial for you, okay? Stay tuned. The disclaimer is make sure that you cut your electricity off or your light off before you change your ceiling fan, because you don't want the electricity to shock you. So that is the disclaimer. And if you don't know what you're doing, please get someone who does, because we don't want nobody to get shocked. You guys, you're supposed to cut the power off using your box, okay? So just to play it safe. Now, Ra,
taking the bulb out.
We taking the bulb out now, you guys. So he's got a screwdriver here. I'm shining the light so he can see. This is Daddy Rod's Big Garage, aka Hot Shot, doing this work. That way you don't have to hire nobody. You just can, if you know how to do it yourself. He's taking the bulb out now. Wish I had my tripod. Taking the bulb out first. Now he's unscrewing the fan part. It's got screws all around it. He's just unscrewing the screws. Right, you gonna take the fan things off first? The wing, the blades. First, he's gonna take the blades off first. So he's taking his time. He's taking the blades off, because that's the easiest part you can do first. Taking the blades off. Cause this.
Give me that cut right there. For them screws. Ain't nothing in it.
Nothing in it. So put your screws in a cup, y'all, because you may want them screws later. Oh, never mind, Rob. I don't want this fan. This fan kind of blah.
Kind of what?
I want that fan. You gonna tell? Oh yeah, you gonna put this fan in the key? Oh yeah, I don't want that fan. This fan kind of blah, dude. I want something. Hey, Phil.
See that?
Hold on. I got the screw.
Yeah, put it in there.
So we're taking the blades one by one. One by one, Rob. Y'all. We're taking the blades off one by one. And it's got screws up there on the blade. That's the screws that are connected to the body of the fan. Just unscrewing them like so. Taking all the screws out, y'all. We have done this before. This is not our first time. So got it.
Might have to get me a sweat rag. Oh wow.
Yeah. I gotta get him a sweat rag, y'all. It's a lot of work, you know. It ain't no air circulating in here, so you get hot while working these fans. And raw sweat easily in there.
Think about doing, taking these clothes off. Put on some shorts or something.
He taking his time unscrewing. You gotta unscrew the wings, y'all. Here we go. See, the wings. The blades. I'm calling the wings blades. It doesn't take long, you guys. You just have to be diligent. It don't take long to do it, Ron.
Yeah, well, it don't take long depending on
how experienced you are and how you work. Cause first he did the light bulb. He took the light bulb out, and now he's unscrewing the blades. Y'all, just to recap, taking the blades out. We got all the blades out. Now he's gonna unscrew it, the body of the fan from the ceiling, cause it's connected to a plate, right, Rod? The fan. So he's unscrewing it from the plate now. He has to take his time with that and unscrewing it. Make sure you have the proper tools before you try doing this. He's putting all the screws in a cup because he may have to use the same screws for this fan, but hopefully it'll have screws in it when he unboxes it. And make sure you have someone who's holding the light.
Oh, there you go. That there. You see it?
Yep. It fell on my.
You don't really need it, but I'll need them if I put them somewhere else. I'm gonna need them.
Yep. Right, what are you gonna use this fan for? Outside, to put it outside on your patio?
No, I don't think so. I think Mama want me. I got somebody.
Somewhere in there.
I got a guy.
What's
the name? Brother does this.
A patio fan.
What's the name? Mama friend.
Yeah.
Down the street.
He gonna put a ceiling fan in y'all patio?
I mean, he can do it if I want.
That's good. Okay. Yeah, that would be nice.
But I can use a regular fan. I'm gonna put a plug in on the inside of the porch. I ain't got to use a regular fan. I can't even do that.
Yeah. He's getting the screws out. He's taking the body out. So this is how it looks, y'all, on your ceiling. It has a plate there that the fan hooks on to. And now he's unscrewing it from the plate that's on the ceiling.
This was the problem. He probably got trying to hold it up and screw it at the same time.
Yeah, this is a problem, y'all. You gotta hold it up and unscrew it and screw it. Sometimes you might need two people. You know, one person might can do it, but two people. He's got it in tightly on that plate. He's gonna unscrew the body of that fan from that plate on the ceiling. Yeah, somebody who can guide the light to you with the, see y'all how it's unscrewing from the ceiling. The wires are showing. So once he takes that down, we can put the new fan on. Once he unscrews it from the ceiling plate.
See that light, Christian, on this side. Get me a bigger screwdriver.
Okay, y'all, we gotta get a big screwdriver, a bigger screwdriver. Y'all, we have a bigger screwdriver. See, this is the screwdriver that he has. He was using this one, like a smaller one. If you can see that, there you go. But now he's got to get a bigger one. And he's unscrewing it from the plate. And all fans right should have that plate on their ceiling if they have a pre-existing fan.
Yeah.
Or sometimes it comes with it.
In the box.
A plate comes in the box, y'all, for your fan if you don't have one. Okay. All right, and see that's how the wires are out. And remember where the wires go, y'all. Take a picture of it. Keep it in your mind where the wires go. Because will it tell you right where the wires go?
Yeah, the paperwork.
The paperwork will tell you where the wires go. And your new fan unboxing. Okay, so he's gonna let it hang till he unboxes the new fan. He's gonna get a flathead wrench to the flathead, and this is the flathead wrench that he's gonna use. The flathead screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Y'all know I ain't good with tools because I ain't no, professional. So I just get the professional to tell me what it is. So he's gonna unscrew the plate from the ceiling with his flathead tool. So he's unscrewing. I ain't gonna put Mama on camera because she's looking a hot mess right now.
Whatever.
She still got on her house coat. Where her head tied up.
Okay.
Ah.
I was about to take that right in the floor.
No, don't do it. So he done got it unscrewed. He's unscrewing the plate.
Wish I ain't that bacon out of there.
Hold on, I'm holding the light.
You ain't holding no light.
So right.
Your light, look at me.
No, hold on. This screws in them. I'm holding the light. And can you do something while you trying to look cute? Me and Rod doing labor work.
You're not doing labor work. Rod is doing some labor. You're not doing no labor. You ain't doing all the You do that all the time.
Don't play me in front of my YouTube family. Okay, we putting the screws, taking the screws out.
You want a sandwich?
Yeah, Rod want a sandwich.
You want something?
Yes, okay.
You ain't getting no sandwich.
Thank you. I am doing hair for Raj. So he's unscrewing the plate from the ceiling. Because the plate comes in with your fan that the fan screws into the ceiling on. He's unscrewing the fan.
Let it go. You'll be all right.
He's just
Waiting on that whole time.
I don't feel like singing this morning.
Whatever.
We're here, y'all. So just taking the screw on that plate. Be careful, Raj. How many times have you done this, Raj?
She interview you, babe. Watch out.
How many times have you done this before?
Well, I did them all in the house.
So that's like, what, 4 or 5 times, y'all? So he's a professional. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing, so get someone who knows what they're doing. He has unscrewed those yellow things off the cords. Those are the protection, so it won't cause a fire or anything. So he has to unscrew them, so he can take the plate off. I'm gonna show y'all the little orange things he's taking off. Oh, still, I can show them these. This is what he's taking off, y'all, of the cords, of the wires. I mean, protection. Yep. He's untangling the wires so that. Yep, he's untangling the wires, because the wires will come on your fan. So he's untangling them. And he took the plate off. He's sweating a lot. Hold on, y'all. This is a recession. This is a break time. You put your screws in a safe place. They have missed. Put the screws somewhere you can get to them, you guys, after you take them out of the fan, because you may want to reuse them or something else. We're taking a break. So now, y'all, we unboxing the fan, the new fan. We got this fan at Lowe's. See, y'all, it comes with the plate, its own plate and screws. It just comes with its own plate that goes on the ceiling. It has the blades. We're just looking at it right now. We're looking at everything it's coming with. It comes with the wires too. They go to the wires to the ceiling. It has its own wires. Every fan is basically the same, just how you put it together. So it comes like that. Stop it, Mom. And Mom's over there cooking breakfast. Praise God. She just got out the shower, so praise God.
You gotta do all this.
I know this.
You try to put a ceiling fan.
You got to tell me about that. Ain't nobody
It came with light bulbs too, y'all. Don't mind them, y'all. They just new to this. And this is the body of the fan and the plate. So y'all, I'm gonna come back when we're putting up the fan, and it has its own wires. So all you're doing is twisting the wires onto the wires up here. Now we screwing the plate, the new plate. It came in the box. We're screwing it to the ceiling, and we're gonna put the wires from the ceiling through that little hole in the middle.
I don't know how we got in it.
Y'all, don't let them play me. I am a part of this situation. I'm just, you know, I'm just the.
Anyway.
I'm the.
You're a help.
Yeah, I'm the help and the orientator.
You're holding the flashlight.
There you go.
You ain't telling them that, then.
Yeah, I'm holding the flashlight, y'all. We doing a plate, y'all. Now we're taking the screws out of the plate on the fan so that we can screw the body of the fan onto that plate up there on that ceiling. The base. Yeah, the base is on the ceiling. So we're gonna screw the body of the fan, well, the base of the fan on the plate. We're just unscrewing. And we're going to put those wires, connect those wires to the 3 wires up there. If you don't know what you're doing, read your manual. Your manual will tell you what goes where, what wires go where, connected. How do you know what wires connect where? Tell us again.
You got the white with white. The white on the ceiling, the white with the fan. And green with the from the ceiling and green to the fan. They all color coded. Blue is gonna be my hot wire.
Okay.
Blue the red from the ceiling and the blue from the fan is gonna be my hot wire.
Alright. Where your black go?
Black go with brown. I mean black go with the that's your negative. I think that's the black with black. White with white and the blue. Only thing different is the blue and the red gonna be different.
Good job. That's how you can tell. Read your manual though. If you don't understand that, read your manual and it will tell you. Or on YouTube. So we got the body on. Now we're gonna have to put the blades on. So we put the cord, connect the cords, and we put the base on. Make sure you may want to have two people hold it up so you can screw on stuff. If two people are better than one, so kind of hard doing it one person. It gets heavy, y'all. So what we doing is we're screwing on the accent metal onto the fan. It all depends on what side you want. My mom wanted the light side, so the light side is gonna show when the fan turns. So we put the metal emblem on the side that's gonna show, and then we got 3 washes here, and our screwed them on. So now we're gonna screw. Oh, where my light? Now we're gonna screw on the plates on. Hold on. So the screws are already inside the fan. So all we're gonna do is unscrew the screws inside the base where the fans go, and screw on the fans. Screw on the blades where the screws are, and it's 5 of them, so it's 2 screws in each slot. Now the screws are right here where you screw on the fan. Make sure you screw them in properly. Make sure you screw in the right side when you're screwing it in. But look, y'all, we about to screw in the top on the bottom. The screws is on the light. That's why I love him like I do. Yeah. That's why I love him like I do. Blue go with blue. White go with white. So the screws, he's gonna screw the bottom portion to the fan. Mom says, hey, help my mama. So we help him shine a light so that we can screw this bottom piece down where the lights go inside. We screwed on the bulb. We had to unscrew the bottom portion first before we put on the light bulb part. So now we're just cleaning up here. We're putting in the last 2 pieces at the bottom of the bulb to secure it. And it's looking beautiful, y'all. The fans on the light color part because Mom wanted to brighten up the kitchen. So we got to put the tassels on.
Wait a minute, this ain't working right.
We might have to reconstruct, y'all. The finishing touches of our work. We put the tassels on. We put the bulb part on. The fan's turning. Well, was turning. But it's brightened up the whole kitchen. It's beautiful and it's big. It's like the staple piece of the kitchen. It's beautiful. We're cleaning up now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. I hope you get some out of it. Maybe you want to do your own fans at your own houses. Just remember to cut that power off or cut the lights off so no electricity is going to your fan. And take your time. You need about 2 people or 3 people. Mainly 2 people to help you. Hold up a light. Help you screw it in. There you go, you guys.